In the lush, green forest, lived a curious tortoise named Timmy. Timmy was known for his bravery and his love for building intricate structures with blocks. One day, Timmy discovered a shimmering crystal hidden behind a fallen log. He had never seen anything so beautiful. "Wow, what a beautiful crystal!" Timmy exclaimed, his eyes sparkling with excitement. He decided to show it to his friends, the chipmunk siblings, Chip and Dale. "Look at this crystal, Chip and Dale." "Isn't it stunning?" asked Timmy, holding up the crystal for them to see. Chip and Dale agreed, their eyes wide with wonder. "But what is it, Timmy?" Dale asked, furrowing his brow in curiosity. Timmy thought for a moment. "I don't know, but I'm going to find out," he declared, his determination shining through. He decided to conduct an experiment to learn more about the crystal. He asked his friend, the wise owl, Oliver, for help. "Oliver, I need your help," Timmy said, his voice filled with hope. "I found this crystal, and I want to learn more about it. Can you help me conduct an experiment?" Oliver, with his wise and kind demeanor, agreed. He suggested a series of tests to determine the crystal's properties. "First, we'll observe its color in different lights," Oliver said, his voice steady and calm. "Then, we'll see if it reacts to heat or cold. Lastly, we'll test its weight." Timmy listened attentively, his mind buzzing with excitement. Over the next few days, they conducted the experiments, learning about the crystal's unique properties. The crystal remained unchanged, shimmering under different lights, feeling neither hot nor cold, and weighing the same as it did before. "This crystal is truly one of a kind," Timmy said, a sense of satisfaction in his voice. "I'm glad I had the courage to explore and learn more about it." From that day forward, Timmy, Chip, Dale, and Oliver became known throughout the forest for their curiosity and love for knowledge. They continued to conduct experiments, learning about the wonders of the forest and beyond. And as the sun set, the forest was filled with the sound of laughter and learning, a testament to the power of curiosity and bravery. In the end, the crystal remained a beautiful mystery, but the friendship between Timmy, Chip, Dale, and Oliver grew stronger, illuminating the forest with the warmth of their bond. Good night, dear reader. May your dreams be filled with shimmering crystals and brave adventures.